The women converged at Ediki as early as 6 a.m., blocking the highway linking Kumba to Buea using chairs, tree trunks, car tires, and tree branches. Gendarmerie officers were present at the scene, attempting to manage the crowd. However, their presence did not deter the women, who carried placards, peace plans while chanting solidarity songs. The women were protesting the forceful imposition of a new traditional ruler in Ediki village, rejecting the leader imposed on them in favor of the candidate chosen by the villagers.
So NGO no get no right for impose for our chief for our village. You know our village person. So many no say for cancel the book. I think no cancel the book. Peace no go be. Next time we visit, we go be in for office.
According to the protesters, the newly appointed chief brings division rather than unity to the community.
And this wrong chief the torment we inside this Ediki where we take no peace, no day for all man.
Denouncing his leadership entirely, the women firmly asserted that they will never accept him, for his prefectorial order was never approved by the kingmakers, maintaining that the village already has a better choice for the throne.
Rodrigo Dio, he don't impose him, say our chief. But when not our chief that the village choice, na chief when.
The protesters are calling on the administrative authorities to initiate an immediate dialogue with the village kingmakers to find a lasting solution to the chieftaincy crisis.
Again, the best thing we want to say is you with you. Me they can't get consultative word with the kingmakers, because this prefectorial order where he give that road trip, no kingmaker no sign for day. So
it was only thanks to the intervention of Captain Sokane Lambe, the gendarmerie company commander for Kumba, that the women agreed to clear the road, allowing circulation to resume. However, the protesters warned that they will return to the street if their grievances are not addressed as soon as possible.